màmá wa ṣé tí èèyàn bá ń ṣe nǹkan oṣù tó bá fẹ́ ṣe àyẹ̀wò nǹkan tó bá fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ Ifá.
kò ṣe sórí kódà kó ṣe pé.
This is a question that the woman during the menstrual period, is she possible for her to go for divination?
kódà sórí tí èèyàn bá dé irú olókùn tó bá dé ibi tá a ti mọ̀ ní tí wọ́n bá tó méjì tàbí mẹ́ta tí mo bá ti kó olókùn báyìí tí mo bá ti dà á báyìí tó bá ṣe pẹ́ ni tí ọba ń ṣe táìmù lọ ni ìrosùn ni ó wà ìrosùn ni ó wà.
She said if a woman she's doing a menstrual period and she comes to her for divination, that if she makes a divination, ìrosùn will come out.
Tá a bá ti dá ìrosùn méjì yẹn á dá ìrosùn lẹ́ẹ̀kínní ìrosùn lẹ́ẹ̀kejì á bi léèrè pé ṣó o ti ń ṣe táìmù ni ìrosùn yẹn torí ẹ̀jẹ̀ ni ẹ̀kínní ẹ̀kejì tó wà àti mọ̀ pé ṣe táìmù ni á wà bi léèrè tó wá kó ń ṣe táìmù ká ní kó bọ́ọ̀ta.
If a woman is come for divination and ìrosùn comes out first time, second time, they will ask her that you are doing your menses. They say yes. They will tell her to go outside, to wait outside.
Tó bá lè wí pé ọba tó bá ṣe pọ́kùnrin là á dá ìrosùn yẹn fún á sọ fún un wípé tó bá fẹ́ lọ dálẹ̀ kọ́ mọ́ lọ dálẹ̀ kò ní ní farapa tó àbí ká sọ fún un wípé ẹsẹ̀ bàbá dà Sunny.
If it's a man that has a divination and ìrosùn has come out, they will ask him if he hasn't a journey to go, they will tell him not to go because there is going to be an accident on the way, so that they see the sign of blood. Mama, ìbéèrè mi tún wà. Kò bá sọ àwọn nǹkan bíi mẹ́ta kan tó yẹ pé obìnrin tó bá jẹ́ bíi tó náà bá ṣiṣẹ́ irú iṣẹ́ tẹ̀ ń ṣe tó yẹ kó òun ló yẹ kó máa ṣe. Three things that is good for a woman to be doing when she's a babalá.
Sórí obìnrin.
She's a Yanefa.
Obìnrin tí ó bá ṣiṣẹ́ number one ó ti gbọ́dọ̀ kúrò ní ọwọ́ bó ṣe táìmù. Tàbí orí ọkùnrin.
She said that a woman that is going to be doing this job mainly, she's not supposed to be doing the menstrual period. That's number one. Or she should be a kind of woman that she's no more engaging in a man, so that they won't turn her to be. Mama, ṣé kó má bàa jẹ́ nítorí kí ni o ṣe tó ṣe gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ obìnrin tí ò yẹ kó máa rọ́kùnrin? Ṣé kán máa sọ daṣẹ́wó ni?
Kì í ṣe sísọ daṣẹ́wó. Ṣé o mọ̀ pé irú bíi ní ìsìn kò sí tí ò sí ń bẹ? Gbà mí bẹ a máa sóògùn fún yàn pé wọ́n fi bá obìnrin sùn o tó bá bóbìnrin sùn kò ní jẹ́ o ó wà nínú oògùn tóbìnrin máa ń ṣe tàbí téèyàn máa ń ṣe fún yàn ọkùnrin tó bá rí tó jó sí sórí ọ̀rọ̀ mo fẹ́ gbọ́ kí n sá sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò nídìí gbígbèyàn ń bara wọn jẹ́ sórí àwọn ọmọ mi àwọn àbá kò sí tọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ tíṣẹ́ lómi fi jẹ́ wọ́n kúndùn obìnrin wọn láìkí obìnrin tí àbá bá rí.
ẹ fò bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ fò ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ kò jẹ́ ká sọ nípa títí bí nítorí pé kó má bàa di ọ̀rọ̀ ìyẹn ní kókó ni pé nítorí pé ìdí kìíní obìnrin tó bá ń ṣe nǹkan
oṣù
kò ní lè tẹ dáyàn lóhùn láti béèrè.
ó ṣe ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì òní pé tóbìnrin gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe obìnrin gbọ́dọ̀ dá láàánú.
She said a woman that is doing this job, number one, that because of the menstrual time, she will not be able to answer people for divination. And there are some spiritual things when you do it, if you are on a menstrual period, and it won't work. So, like giving a man some things to use, they will tell her that don't let any woman who's doing menstrual period touch it. 1. 2. If he wants to have a fun, don't use it. Don't touch it. That's number 2. Number 3. Any woman that wants to be a Yanifa, she must be a patient woman. And she will be a woman that can encourage, and she'll be highly contented, and she will be able to have mercy on people. Number 2 is that's number 2. That any woman that wants to become an Yanifa, she must be a woman. She will have mercy, be able to pity people. She will be a very good woman that can encourage, that has a wakbele. The humility is going to be there. She is going to be a woman of loyalty.